Welcome back. We are here at Holiday, gassing up. We got the one and only. Oh, that's Dustin behind the camera. What the? Hey, Carter.
What are you doing?
And we got Colton inside getting some snacks. It's just gonna be the four of us and one other guy, possibly. Dustin found this field last night. Said there was like 160 birds in it. Hopefully they do it nice today. We're gonna be running A-frames, so we'll see how they do it. It looked like, they said it looked like it was a pretty good hide with the A-frame. The geese were buttoned up right against it, so we're gonna get going, set up, and hopefully we'll be killing some geese. Those sound up. All right, guys. Well, we just got set up. We got, I don't know, 15 dozen dive bombs out, and we're running A-frames today. Just kind of run it light. We got a big blob up there, our A-frame here. Hopefully they'll do it dirty. They're just starting to fly, so next clip should be us killing some geese. Is there more coming?
Yeah, we have a 2-pack coming in as well. That's just one more. Yep. Boys.
All right, well, those two did it pretty dirty. We got two down there. They keep coming kind of from behind, so it's hard to get a good GoPro clip, but
watch the flock on the left.
Left.
Right, yes. Oh. Yeah, right out front, left. Right here, ready?
Okay, if they swing over the tops of us. Okay, get ready. Got him, boys.
all right, well, they keep swinging in behind us. They're coming pretty close, but the GoPro's facing out into the spread, so the shooting is pretty subpar again. Colton.
Kill him, boys!
All right, well, we dropped a couple there. Landing pretty close to the frames. Already got one. Golden's got one up there. So they're starting to do it. They're not really centering up like in the middle of us, but they're kind of just coming right on over. They're not decoying, but they're coming in close, just on top of us. So
That 5-pack's gonna do it.
That 5-pack does it, I'm calling it.
Yeah.
Because that's 5 birds right there.
Just do like nice clucks to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to take him over the top? Take him. Got him. No.
all right, well, there hasn't been much flying around. I think we got like 15 birds down right now.
15 on the nuts.
You heard the man. And I don't know what we're gonna do. We might pack it up, we might stick it out a little bit. We'll let you guys know. This is our spread. I got our main group up here, A-frame, kind of trickle down. Wind, the birds should be pushing up. Although they haven't been doing it, there has been a whole lot of wind, so.
Kill him, boys. That's 20. Nice shooting, boys.
That was some good shooting. Those one took a couple dirt naps. High five, brother.
Kill him! No way.
Well, those did it pretty good. We have less than stellar shooting, of course. If you guys are new to the channel, this is all you're gonna see all year long. I hope you guys know. Unless Dustin actually shoots, then we might kill some more. But until then, we'll let a few live. We'll let a few live. All right, guys. Well, we are gonna give her a call. We're calling it right now. And we have 21 birds down. But we'll get them all lined up, get some pictures. We're gonna clean them all up, and we will let you. All right, pick it up. How do you think of the hunt, bud?
I think we could have shot more, but it went all right.
How'd you shoot today?
Terrible. Glad I don't have a shot cam like you.
Good.
Coming right in, Cole.
Right here. You wanna shoot him?
No.
Kill him.
I got 2 of them, 1 shot there.
He's going down. Right, well, we were just packing up. These guys are literally up on the hill. And they just dumped hard. Yep.
Kill it, boys! Get that one. Yeah, let's go.
All right, guys. Well, we're cuddling with the geese since a single just flew by. Oh, I think the boys are gonna shoot him. There it goes. Oh. All right. Well, if you ever need to hide in the field, just lay under the geese. Okay. That was a walk. And we just dropped 3 more. Then a single came in. And I think we got some before that as well. So our count is going up. We were going to leave like 2 hours ago, but that never happened. So we just got everything lined up finally. We got 28 birds down.
So decided to make the most of it. Turned out pretty good.
How's the shooting, bud?
Well, the shooting on the camera was good. Not so sure about behind the guns, but we did some work still.
That'll happen sometimes, or all the time. I think I forgot to mention, there was only 3 of us shooting today. So I guess the shooting couldn't have been that bad, considering we got 28 down. But we could have had some more, so. But we're gonna clean these birds up. We're gonna get everything packed up. And this is gonna wrap up the video. If you guys liked what you saw, especially the misses, drop a sub down below and leave any comments on what we should try to shoot next.